Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on POCO F7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to find parental controls. Then click let's do this and click sign in. Now you have to enter your lock screen PIN code. And here you have to enter your account. Then click next. Now you have to enter your password. And click agree. Then click accept. And click supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.